Who doesn't like respect? In his whole lifetime, every human being is dying of hunger for one such thing. He is always hoping that people will respect him, and not only people, but the whole world. It will be respected, but there are few people who achieve this thing before they die, but not everyone can do it because they don't know about its real psychology. And in today's video, we're going to learn about 5 psychological ways people will start to respect you. Number 1, express you thought. Well, first impression is heart, last impression. You've all heard this line often. Well, I have been hearing this line since my childhood, but there will be few of you who are actually successful in doing that. And so if you want people to respect you, then first of all you have to respect yourself. The thought process has to be changed. Whenever you go to talk to someone, first listen carefully to what they are saying and then respond to them with a little thought. It often happens that when you are talking to someone and if you speak something loudly, then the person in front of you will not like it, and these things will kill your respect in the eyes of the person in front of you. So whenever you talk to someone, speak in a clear and bold voice. Do it and make eye contact with the girl in front. If she tries to stop you in the middle, you don't have to do anything, just use your hand gesture to tell her to wait a bit, because it's not a good thing to drown someone's words in the middle. You won't believe it, but these little things can last for a long time. How can I force you to do it but you don't know it? But there is a great connection between respect and fear. Like if I put a bloodthirsty tiger and a street dog in front of you, there is no difference. That you will respect the lion more. But why? Did he ask you to respect me? Not at all, but he forced you with his power, forced you to respect him. You could not disrespect, and therefore if you also want people to respect you, you have to make yourself powerful. Even if you are a peaceful person, still people will respect you if you are powerful. Most of the people misbehave with you and try to bring you down. Always remember one thing. Never tolerate such people. It may seem bad to you, and this will force him to respect you in the dark, and you should not give anyone the power to disrespect you and walk away. If you don't consider it, then no matter how smart, intelligent, tossing person you are, your honor will automatically go away in front of this person. You will lose your respect, so always remember that if you channel your opponent. When you date, it shows your self-confidence and shows your personality as a strong personality. People automatically start respecting you. Every day you meet people who like you and your time has no value. He steals an hour of your time by talking to you for 10 minutes, and this happens not once but repeatedly. Sometimes he comes half an hour late after talking to you for 5 minutes. Because they don't value the most valuable thing in the world, how will they value you? You must have seen many people whose values and ethics change with every man. When he is doing this, his values are different. He talks to them very lovingly, and if he is talking to a small worker, his voice becomes quite rowdy. Don't be a person whose values don't change no matter who you are with. Never compromise on your values. If something is wrong for you, it is wrong for everyone you meet. And as soon as you will be successful in doing so, there is no one who will not respect you, even if you will increase your respect in your own eyes. Some psychological ways that you expect people to respect you without knowing. If it is less, then your respect will automatically decrease. Hope you find this video interesting and informative. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.